What's up guys, this is your boy Brainiac coming back with another flawless video. Now, the goal today is I have $20 in my wallet. I want to see if I can get side skirts from Lowe's for less than $20. That will look actually pretty sick on this car. You know, it takes a little bit of your time, but I got something to show you guys. Now, these videos were so hard to even, try to even make. I couldn't do it. So, yeah, this is what I did. I know y'all been waiting for this guy. Let's show you here. We put the bags on it, buddies. Looks so sick. So let's start driving over to Lowe's. Found $13.67 for the garage door bottom, and we did this for the front probably I'm gonna say about 7 months ago we did this. I showed you how to do it with the 3M command strips and this, and actually, to tell you the truth, they updated it so the material is a lot more thicker, so this is actually seriously like easy lip. Now I mean, if you guys want to go the route where you have something thicker and wider on the bottom like most people do, but I want something that's quick, easy, cheap, and just sticks on. I don't want to damage any. I don't want to drill into my my actual side skirts that are on the car now, and it's easier for me to take this off when I want to wrap my car in the future instead of the screws. So this is $13.67. We're gonna run over and get some 3M command strips if they have it, and like the Gorilla, I recommend it. Get something that will really stick and really hold. And alcohol should be, a thing to clean the bottom, but you can use pretty much any, non-grease cleaner to clean the bottom. So this is it, guys. Garage door seal, and we're gonna see how sick this looks on there. So let's go. So we're gonna go over to Walmart and see if it's a lot cheaper. Walmart usually is cheaper. This is already 13 plus 7. Let me think, 7. Yeah, we're looking at a little bit over $20. Our point is to get this under $20 because I literally only have $20 on me. So let's run over to Walmart quick, and if it's not cheaper there, we'll come back here. We want something that's double mounted, extremely strong, and if you guys can see in here, that's holding up tools against the wall. So that's probably about 70 pounds holding on the wall. So this shouldn't be any problem because this is not 70 pounds. Tell you the truth, let's look. I didn't even tell you how much it weighs, but listen, I can hold it in my one hand. That's all I can tell you. So let's run over to Walmart. Alrighty, my guys, we bought all the stuff from Lowe's. We didn't even have to go to Walmart. Now, if you can look here, our total came out to be $20. No, not $20. My bad. Our total came out to be, come on, focus on me here. 1976. Man, I'm screwed up with numbers. For the actual clear Scotch tape, we got clear. We didn't even get a colored one because that's actually cool, and it can hold up to 10 pounds. So this isn't about 10 pounds. And then we got 16 feet of the garage door, which is $13.67. Adds up after taxes to $19.76. So we really hit the budget right on the dot, and we're about to go install these side skirts. So all the stuff is nicely packed away. Again, airbags on the car. Sweet. So let's go home and we'll start installing this, and yeah, let's go. Alrighty, my guys, now this is what you're gonna need to actually start the process. So you're gonna need a microfiber cloth, some kind of cleaning supply. Now I'm gonna use this since it's raining out. I need to dry it off. And I have these screen wipes, which have, obviously you can't have any oily substances spraying on, your phone. So this would work. Or some alcohol wipes are preferred because you really want this tape to stick down. It can hold up to 10 pounds, but if your surface isn't clean, it's not gonna hold anything. And when I did my front one over here, that guy stuck. I took some alcohol and I cleaned him up. He's been stuck there since the day that I put it there, and that was 7 months ago, still living large. So let's get this started. Here's the clear Scotch. Let's go. Okay guys, Now that I actually lined it, measured it, you know, I think it's 72 inches. That's what I got out of it. And then I cut some of the roll up piece by piece onto here, so then when it comes time we can just snap it right onto place. And it's gonna actually look pretty dope as I looked at it, you know, trying to put it on. I recommend, since if you're in colder weather like I am, it's about 32 degrees, take a hairdryer and heat these guys up so that they, you know, properly form to it. Just because it's so cold that you don't want this, you know, falling off. Now, I was just taking the, you know, heat from my hands to actually melt this onto this. And it looks like it's starting to, you know, form to it pretty well. But take a hairdryer or a heat gun and properly heat it up onto there, because it might peel off. Yeah, it looks like it's still gonna peel off, but we'll see how it works when I stick it on. So let's go. Alright guys, we have the guy all cleaned underneath, and I actually found out that I still had some underglow left. But yeah, if you guys were wondering in a lot of my videos why you haven't seen underglow, is because the winter months kinda cracked the LED, even though they're water resistant, cracked the plastic, and actually started smoking on me. Now, yeah, that's not safe. But summer's coming around, I'm so good with LEDs, listen, I can get them for the cheapest price. I know where to get them the cheapest price. And we're not gonna go to AutoZone and get these guys anymore, because they're just way too outrageous. So we can start installing since I cleaned this side. Well, let's go. Alrighty guys, the side skirt is on. Look at actually how cool that is. That's actually really cool looking. You know, it goes with the front one. I don't know if you can see that too well. But y'all, I don't care what y'all say. That side skirt looks 10 times better, and look at it's durable. Because what I was worried about is people trying to get into my car, their foot slips, and they snap it off. This, it's rubber, or it's I don't even know what to call it. I think I want to say vinyl, like some kind of vinyl or some kind of rubber, but overall it's bendable. It's sweet looking. I think it looks great. We're gonna need a rear diffuser one of these days. We'll have to make that. But I gotta finish the other side, and yeah, we'll take some shots afterwards, just show you the difference and how it looked from the beginning until the end. So, see you in the next clip. Yo, what's up guys? I hope you guys enjoyed my flawless video here. Please hit that subscription in the left corner and check out my videos on the right. I hope you guys do enjoy my videos. I love creating them for you. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces, people.